Hello everyone and welcome to this channel. In today's video, we're going to be looking at how to enable or disable advanced keyboard shortcuts on Palmpay GX. Let's get started. From the home menu, we'll right click, then select settings. On the left menu here, click on browser. On the right, scroll all the way down until you see shortcuts. And then you can see enable advanced keyboard shortcuts. So it's on. Now in case you don't know what this means, click on learn more. Now, single keys and alternatively configured shortcuts are available by enabling advanced keyboard shortcuts. I'll show you how to enable it. Let's see. If you want to circle left through tabs, you simply use these shortcuts for Mac and shortcuts for Windows or Linux. So you can see all the shortcuts here. Use one for Mac and for Windows or Linux, use one too. Some of them are similar, some are different. So these are the keyboard shortcuts, and these are the swinging actions and these shortcuts. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more.